Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll see, we know that right in last video we completed the status of this normal change to completed after deploying all the changes to production system. So once that has been done, the request for change for the CNC will also be updated accordingly. So now let me open the request for change. And you see here, earlier it was a B implemented status. So once the development has been completed, changes move to production, and when we complete the status that you'll see the status in request for change has been updated as an implemented status now. So it is saying that the change has been implemented. Okay, now let's open and edit more and see what different options that we get here. Okay, so if I go to actions, I can see that confirm change. If I confirm the change means this request has been closed completely. We can't do any other changes to this request for change, right? Okay, let me confirm this one now. Okay, if I save this one, you see, now it has been confirmed. Okay, when I try to go to edit mode, I'm getting error saying that no changes possible in document transaction. Now do this point here. Okay, I would like to show you one more thing about the extend scope that I can discuss in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.